Hi, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today we're talking about how to disable autoplay videos on Reddit. Maybe you want to conserve data usage and prevent unexpected or potentially disruptive video content from playing automatically while scrolling through the feed. So today I'm going to show you how to disable autoplay videos on Reddit. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So let's start. First, open the Reddit application and log into your account. Once you are logged in, you will be taken to the home page. In this page, tap on your profile icon located at the top right corner of the screen. A panel will appear at the right side, and here, tap on Settings. In the Settings page, you will now see this autoplay option. Simply tap on it. A menu will appear below, and here, you will see three options: always, when on Wi-Fi, and never. Since you wanted to disable autoplay videos, simply tap on this never option. After that, you know how successfully disabled autoplay videos on Reddit. Now, videos will only play when you choose to tap on them. This will make your browsing experience more enjoyable. At the same time, you will be able to save your data usage. There you go. If you wanted to know how to disable autoplay videos on Reddit, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way to disable autoplay videos on Reddit, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.